Today our UX Mind at Codecamp was really interesting. What I really liked the most was the fact that everybody got involved. People were really eager to find out what we're doing here. They were really interested in this concept of unconference. So instead of just having chairs that everybody sits presentation after presentation after presentation, we actually did workshops and had conversations on different topics regarding user experience design. I'm really excited by this. I hope we can be here next time, and see you soon.